Greetings everyone, this is Wes Stobeck with the Enterprise Solutions team for DeWalt Power Tools. I come to you again today from United Tool and Fastener to show you some of the features and benefits of our new DCN890 concrete nailer. In the past, your options for driving nails into concrete is to either do it by hand or use a powder actuated tool, which required a specific certification to use gunpowder rounds to drive nails into concrete. From there, a lot of ourselves and our competition came out with a tool much like our C5 concrete nailer. This nailer uses compressed gas to help drive the nail into the concrete. The only drawback to using a nailer like this is that the gas, once runs out, has to be purchased again, adding cost to your job or project. Building on that idea, DeWalt came out with the new DCN890 nailer, as you see here, which runs strictly off of battery power. Our 20-volt battery powers a pin that is coiled back and then shot forward to drive the nail into the concrete. When deciding what nail you want to use for your project, you can choose the yellow nail strips, which are strictly for concrete, or the black nail strips, which are a hybrid nail for concrete or steel. When loading the pins into the nailer, you will use our lock and load loading system. As you can see, I locked the mechanism into the bottom of the loading strip, load the nails in, and then release the lock to move the pins up into place. When firing the pins into concrete, you will want to depress the nose piece until you hear the flywheel spin and then pull your trigger to drive the nail. Once your nailer is now loaded with pins, you're ready to start driving pins into the concrete. To do so, you'll want to turn your safety switch off, pushing it out away from the tool. Making sure you're wearing your proper PPE, like safety glasses and gloves. You'll depress the nose piece of the nailer into the concrete, activating the flywheel. Once you hear the flywheel fire up, you can now pull the trigger. If you can come in closer here, you can see where the nail is drilled flush or driven flush into the concrete. This can also be used while attaching flashing or steel frames for drywall work. Place the material on top of the concrete, depress your nose, and pull the trigger. And now that material is securely fastened to the concrete. Always be sure to set your safety before setting the tool down. So in conclusion, when driving nails into concrete, the new DCN890 nailer has multiple features and functions that will allow you to complete your job. If you have any further questions or want to pick up one of these tools, please come in to United Tool and Fastener at your earliest convenience and ask one of your salespeople about the product. Thank you.